How will you feel if I tell you that you can get paid by just watching videos and ads? Yes, some of you are amazed, but don't be amazed. Now, we waste our time watching YouTube videos all over again, but at the end of the day, we don't get paid or get any reward from it. But these tutorials, I'm going to show you three ways, guys, three ways by which you watch videos and at the end of the day you cash some money out. Yes, guys, you watch these videos and you'll be paid. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe, click on the like button so that you won't miss any of my daily upload, guys. At Cash Payout, it's I aim to teach the world how to make money, how to have extra income, and how to work right at home or from home. So without wasting time, let us go through our money making tutorial. So our first website is Ad Wallet, guys. So this is Ad Wallet. Now it says that brands want your attention, make them buy it. Right, so it says that get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and it's worth up to what, $3, guys. It's worth up to $3. When you watch a video, it is how much? $3. So meaning if you watch 10 videos, guys, it is what, $30. And this one will take you some few minutes, guys. Isn't this fun, guys? This is how to make extra income right at home, guys. So the name is Ad Wallet, and the fun part is that everyone can do it. Anywhere you are in the world, you can sign up, watch the videos, and get paid $3 per an ad you watch. Now it says that earn real money online from your favorite words brands, guys. Is that receive a text when it is time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. Now, guys, the fun part of this is that they will text you when you are ready to watch a video. Isn't this fun? So that you are aware that there's a video down for you to watch, and the video is handpicked just what for you. Now it says that earn a minimum of what, 50 cents up to $3 per video interaction. And this fun, guys. So you just watch a video, and each video the maximum will be $3 per video, guys. Now it says that when you reach $10 you cash out, guys. When you reach $10 you do what, you cash out. This is one of the easiest ways of making some extra bucks in your pocket, guys. Now, so meaning that you have to watch just 4 videos to cash your $10 out. This is real, guys. It says that make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer, guys. So this one you should understand. We have so many friends on our WhatsApp, and we can just give them the link to watch. Now as they watch, you are paid $1 per your referral what links, guys. I'm showing you the easiest way to make money, right? This is the easiest way of making money by just watching videos. So there's the first website, guys, with this Ad Wallet. And the next one, guys, is InstaGC. Now this site is like the other one, but this one, guys, you earn points to get free gift cards. Yes, so you have to complete surveys, then you watch videos, then you can shop online to make money, or search in the web also to make what, money. So they have 4 ways to make money: by completing surveys, by watching videos, by shopping online, and by searching the web. So you can choose any of these 4 means, and you will earn points, receive your free digital gift card. Now what you have to do is you have to just sign in here, right, with your username or your password, and or you can start by either you can sign in with Facebook, Twitter, or what, Google. And even when you sign up, you receive free 10 points, guys. You receive free 10 points, and when you add up to watching your videos or completing your surveys or shopping online, you gain extra points to get your free gift card. Isn't this fun, guys? And this is for everyone in the world, every country, every person in every country. You can go through the same tutorials and make your free gift card. Now our last one, guys, is called Big Token, and this is on the Google Play Store. Now Big Token is like the rest, guys, but this one, guys, watch it. It says get paid for your data and opinion. So one, you are paid for sharing your data, and two, just your opinion, right? And you can cash out with what? PayPal. Just that own and manage your data. But the fun part is that, guys, it has a 4-star rating and has up to 35,000 people using this today, guys. So it is so fun. It says that Big Token is a free app that lets you get paid in cash for sharing your data and opinion. How does it work? Simply answer survey about your interest and lifestyle, check into your location, connect to your social media accounts, and more. And after doing this, guys, you are paid money, guys. Isn't this fun, guys? So you can combine these three method by using ad wallet. You can use Insta GC, you can use Big Token, and guys, when you combine this three method, you can make an income right at home or have a different source of making money, guys. So this is the end of our video, guys. Again, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are already with us, kindly click on the like button, guys. The like button really helps with the Google algorithm. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next amazing video. So take care and have a lovely day. Money Payout. Bye bye.